Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing a VR accessory review for your Meta Quest 2 headset. Today we're looking at this golf club handle extension by ZyberVR. Here you can see the ZyberVR website, and they have a lot of different products on there. This one retails on their website for $55.98. You can also find it on Amazon. I will link both of those below so that you can find which one has the better price at the time, because sometimes they go on sale, and if you'd like to purchase it, then you can find it there. In this video, we are going to unbox it, we will assemble it, and then I will show myself using it a little bit and give you my review of it in the end. Stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you the details of how you can enter to win a code for Golf Plus VR. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, make sure you do so. I will link those below as well. Let's jump into this one. So here you can see the box that it came in. I'm going to unload this box and we will go through all the pieces together. I'm going to take a minute to look at this user manual and then we will go through the installation process. Alright, I'm going to keep this down here for reference. The first step it shows is attaching this part to the handle, but that's already done for us. And then choosing which hand you golf with and attaching the appropriate side. So this one's for, those two are for the right. I'm left-handed in golf. So you can twist off that rubber cap there, and then it shows twisting this on and lining up those little grooves there you can see. Okay. Alright, so you attach that just to the left, or to the right or left of that crease line there, depending on which controller you're using. And then it says to insert this handle so that this button clicks. You can hear that click in. Now these here, they're just silicone covers for the rings around. This one says R, so we won't use that one. This one is for the left one. Oh, and then this here, this is like a little mount. And it comes with a piece that you can stick to the wall as well, if you would like to. And then you could hang it up on the wall, just like that. So these two things are for training purposes. You can put these between your arms to help with your golf posture correction. So you'd put them on like through, I will show you later. And then this is a wristband to help you with doing that as well. So there's how to install your golf club extension by Zyber. So here you can see I'm testing with Golf Plus VR, and as you watch here, I'm going to go through my pros and cons list and go from there. Here you can see built right into Golf Plus VR all the different attachments that you can choose so that the golf club is set to the proper attachment. So I really like what it's made of. It's made of iron core aircraft aluminum. The handle is the silicone cover, just like a real golf club. It feels just like a real golf club. It comes in weighing at 12.8 ounces, which is very similar to an actual golf club. The average golf club weighs about 12 to 16 ounces. So this is a little bit on the lower end, but it gives you that real feel of a real golf club. It can be used with left and right controllers, which is nice. I'm a lefty, so it's nice to have that option. It comes with a few accessories, you know, that posture strap, the wrist strap, and I do like the wall holder mount that it came with, so you can keep it off the ground, off your desk, and on the wall there. It just makes these golf games so much more fun and realistic. If you use other ZyberVR accessories, I like that this doesn't require a different battery cover. You're screwing anything in, you can quickly clip things off and clip it into a different accessory if you want to use it. Makes for a fast and easy change, where other ones that take a little bit of time in between. In terms of cons, if you're looking for a golf attachment, I couldn't really find any cons for this one. It's great. In terms of price, it's $49.99. I looked at all the different kinds that I could, and I saw prices ranging from $40 to about $75. So this is right in that range, towards the cheaper end of that range, but it doesn't mean that it's a cheaper product. I think this one's really good. I'm using it a ton now, and I think if you're into Golf Plus or any golf games on the VR, then getting a golf extension like this is a must. So I will link below where you can find this one on the ZyberVR store and on Amazon, so you can check that out and get one for yourself. We're going to be doing a giveaway here for Golf Plus. If you would like to be entered to win a code for Golf Plus, you need to like and subscribe to this video. And then you need to comment below that you did those two things. And then if you'd like to tag anybody in those comments, now that we can tag people using handles on YouTube, tag people below. For each person that you tag, you will get an extra entry into this draw. We will be doing the draw a week after this one is published, and I will be revealing the winner on my Facebook page, Brian Sloan Artist, which will also be linked below, so you can check that out and follow along for the winner of that draw there as well. If you haven't checked out ZyberVR store, check them out. They've got some really good products. If you haven't checked out my playlist of other VR accessory reviews, please check that out as well. I've got a whole bunch on there. I'm sure you can find something that you would like or something that you'd be interested in getting as well. Thank you for watching this one. Give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.